on, my G's? I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. Today I want to do something different. As you all know, whenever we're talking about advertisement, whenever we're watching TV, there's a lot of ads and sponsors and people that pay for the content that you're watching. And we tend to think that everything we read on magazines, everything we watch on TV is real because someone's saying it. But I think we gotta kill that culture a little bit. I've been looking in the car world, a lot of magazines are praising the 720S as they should, but I feel like the AMG GTR was left a little bit on the dark, that not a lot of people pay attention to it because I think Mercedes didn't want to spend the money that other car makers do to these magazines and whatnot. So I just want to take them out and test them out, do a pool and see which one's faster. I know the 720S will be faster, but I do think the AMG GTR will surprise us. I don't think it's going to be that slow compared to it. So either way, that's the plan for today. I got to do a few things before that. So it'll be 720S against the AMG GTR. But before that, allow me to put my sunglasses on. We gotta take that to gas. That's right. And also picking up the E-Wagon. So it's gonna be a busy day, but let's get it. And today the car choice is going to be the F-150. The reason why is there's something in the audio. I want Jordan to get it as close as possible to the Raptor S1. I know it's not possible because I don't have the crazy ass sound system that one has, but I still want that. I want a little bit of the nice in this one, even though it's not meant to be at all like the Raptor S. I still like the nice. Little thing, on the Raptor, normally when you want to change the modes, they're right here on the steering wheel so you can go into sport and all of that stuff. In this one, it was really hard for me to figure it out until Tommy told me. They're right here. If you want to go into sport, you gotta click that twice. You're gonna see it right underneath there. It's gonna appear. First, it's gonna be tow haul, and then right there is gonna go into sport. So if you want the truck to feel light and nimble, that's what you want to go with, sport. Now getting to gas, and we saw that. Is that a wrap, or is that paint, or what is it? Oh, never mind. It's branding. It's branding. Hey, buddy, let's go places. Wow, so we have a treat right here, guys. I don't know if you know Iacocca. Iacocca is super famous for creating the most insane cars. He's a big part of what was responsible for creating the Mustang. So what they did is they created a special edition car, and there's two of them. You guys see the difference, right? This is not a regular car. These are 07. They made around 60 cars, I believe, and they're different. It's a different design, special edition, just as an homage to the dude who made all of these possible. And they're so cool looking. Also, I'm not playing in the background. It's extra points, extra penis points for everyone. Look at that. Can't believe they're letting this Mexican into the car. How cool is that? I dropped my glasses there. You did? Sorry, Tommy. So there's just a few details that make this car different and special. Like, for example, the third panel right here, completely different. Actually, if you're looking at the car from right here, it kind of looks like the Bentley GT, like in this quadrant right here. So there's a lot of design elements that are different. Even right here, you guys can see the Bentley GT of it, right? How fucking dope is that? And then look at the lights. So it's like a flat surface that they did, and obviously the change of logos. And I love the exhaust. It looks like a prototype exhaust, which is awesome. The wheels are dope, nice and simple. They didn't overcomplicate anything. But the real treat is this one because they didn't make them in this color. That's what Tommy was telling me. This is a rare one. They had to make it like this specially. So, ooh, this is number 44. I don't know why I really like these designs. Coming back tomorrow for you, baby. I miss you like crazy. God damn. Look at those hips. You guys see the difference? All tinted, she looks so nice. And it's not about looking like a gangster. It's not about like, respect my privacy, although it's really nice. It's all about not burning your skin. I'm the palest Mexican you've ever seen. And my skin gets burnt like a motherfucker. So I'd rather not do that. And also it hurts by the time if you go on a drive like to Vegas for 5 hours, your arm looks like someone just slapped it really, really fucking hard. Right, buddy?
Hey, pale for life.
What?
Pale,
oh, yeah.
pale for life.
Okay, and finally we're home from gas, and it's time to put these puppies up to the test. It's the AMG GTR against the 720S. Both of them have a 4.0 liter engine, V8, twin turbo. This one produces 577 horsepower. That one produces 720, but realistically it's like about 800 as car companies advertise, which is fucking mental. I'm expecting the 720 to absolutely destroy this, but what I think is this is not gonna be an easy battle for the McLaren. That's what I'm thinking. I just feel like not a lot of people are throwing attention into the beautiful AMG GTR. This is a dope ass car. Lots of value. For $190,000, what else can you get that performs like that? There's $100,000 more will get you one of these, but that's it. All right, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go get the boys and let's do this. Buddy, you and I are McLaren, Team McLaren.
Yes, we are.
That's right.
That's right.
Come here, baby.
Here we go.
And then on the other hand, we have Rodrigo on the AMG team.
I'm right.
I have to apologize to everyone for Rodrigo. And Farghini. Farghini, here's the AMG key.
And by the way, I gotta be in the right S settings, S plus, S4.
All right, this is not gonna work, guys. I'm sorry. So we're gonna do it twice. We're gonna do one where we're doing it manually, changing gears and everything. Yeah. And the second one, we're gonna put the cars in auto and just step on it. And then we'll see what happens. See which one has a faster reaction time, which one switches gears better, and which one gets ready for the...
But then it's beep, beep, beep. On the third beep, you hit the gas.
That's right,
Okay.
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
That he has to have his car in Sport Plus. This one doesn't have a Sport Plus option, but has Sport. So I'm just gonna go in Sport, not Track. This is obviously a way faster car. We just wanna see by how much. And how much does the Mercedes really have to offer? Because no one talks about it. And I do think that it has a lot more to offer than what people expect.
First of all, we need service in 18 days. We gotta let him know that. Secondly, let's be in the best position possible. So Sport Plus, exhaust, suspension. The first one is gonna be manual, okay? So we're gonna have to pick the best gear to be in and just go. And we're gonna do, he's gonna honk, he's gonna go honk, I'm gonna honk, and then when he honks,
we go.
We go. So you remember all that.
I'll try.
All right, are we ready?
Ready?
Y vámonos.
Come on, come on. Wow. 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 Oh my God. No comparison. No comparison.
He left you like if you're nothing.
Oh my God. Okay, now I want the car. I want the car.
Holy shit!
Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
Do you think Mercedes is better than McLaren?
No, but okay, here we go.
Automatic now!
Automatic!
You ready?
Come on!
Oh wow! Total destruction.
Woo! Fucking destruction!
Woo!
Farghini, what happened there?
We got this.
Oh my God! Actually, never mind. This is way faster by a lot.
You saw that difference, right? Like
No,
you saw
I
the
felt
difference.
it.
And plus, when we
crazy.
did a pull in this, just you and I, we
Yeah.
were both like, "Wow, what
Yeah.
a fast car!"
Except when you put it next to that one, then you know it just disappoints you.
I think this is the king. This is the king of the streets right now.
Oh, right now,
There's nothing.
there's no doubt that sexy McLaren is a king of the hill.
I just want to get your reaction.
That was unbelievable. I was telling Rodrigo, I'm happy you filmed. You like show
Go.
people how quickly you go away.
It actually honestly felt like you guys were not accelerating.
Dude,
That's what
we were going full throttle. I was like, how is it possible that he's like, he left him as if it nothing.
I know, dude. These two cars go side to side on a straight, like side by side. Remember? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god! What just happened?
I told you they were equally as fast. I told you.
What?
I told you they were equally as fast. That's really
What?
fucking fast. Wow.
Oh
Yeah.
no!
Yeah.
I just did one mile pull, and we were like, we're in this fight.
We're in this.
Yeah, for sure.
Because it felt so fast. We were like, we're in this fight. The first pull, we're like, we have no chance.
But it didn't
that
feel
was-
like they were not accelerating?
Oh my god, you guys stood still. I felt like my ears were melting off of the side of my head.
And you hear the exhaust just go as it gets like louder. It's fucking crazy. Do you agree? Because I set out to do this video to say like, wow, what a deal the AMG GTR is and whatnot. Do you agree that that 720S might be the greatest fucking deal in the car world right now?
Yeah, it is
Who
weird to
said
say it's the greatest bang for your buck in the ultra high-end level of the cars.
And there's races between this and a Senna, like a 720S and a Senna, and the 720S to basically 100 miles is the same shit.
This will stay up there with the 918.
Yeah. No.
No
After
question
100,
about it.
after 120 miles, we'll destroy a 918.
No
It
question
will.
about it.
On a draggy type of racy kind of thing, tell me one other car that can beat this right now.
A
I don't even
Chiron.
think-
No, only the Chiron.
Wow, that's incredible.
Oh!
Congratulations.
Oh!
Owning the fastest fucking street car right now.
Thank you. I worked really hard on that title. So there you have it, guys. Basically, that was total fucking destruction. And it's good that we went out there, and even though we found out that it was the same result as published before, you go and find out that that is the truth. And you go and experience it, and then you open your eyes to something else, which is the value. Yeah, well, there's a lot of value in that car because it runs at the same rate and handles and fun at the same as this. The real value comes from this side of the garage with the McLaren 720S. Wow. Well, it's a good thing that McLaren doesn't want to sell me any special edition cars.